So you can see that it's plugged in right here, and this is plugged in over right there. And I've turned it off, and now there's your on button. And it's not even making noise. It worked for like 3 days. And for those 3 days, I had to hold the button down for it to work. I am grateful that you guys replaced it, but at the same time, I've been using the broken one here because it actually turns on, and this one just kind of is more of a more decorative now than it is helpful. I don't know what you guys would if there's something that we can do about it. Thank you.
Esta es la mejor cafetera para preparar el café. Y lo mejor de todo es que cuando ya herve, que el agua está caliente, ella sola se apaga. Uno no necesita de apagarla.